one way to mow grass single-handedly. On the other hand, I'm standing here holding my phone, recording a goofy video. Got this thing on cruise. Found out if I go around in a counterclockwise circle, it blows all the grass to the right side of the machine, and it's not punching up for like a recut. I got few strips here and there. Most of those have come. I can't remember how wide my 22-inch deck is. This little thing, I just don't need. I'm really glad I got it. Does it do the grass? I can also do a light brush with it too. 7.5 horsepower engine. Got enough power to do what I need to do. I don't need anything super big or stupid. Got 12-volt electrical system. LED headlight. I want to put some more lights on here eventually, but right now, I'm just enjoying the way it works. Hybrid drive setup. The only thing the engine does is it charges the battery, cuts the grass. Otherwise, it's an electric drive. So when the engine's not running, I could use battery power to